Hey guys, so I recently got a GoPro Hero 4 and I had issues trying to connect to the Gopro Quik App. This is how I figured out how to get connected. Normally I was trying it directly through the app, and what I was getting was a message coming up, cannot find camera. So this is how I solved it. This is how I fixed the connection issues. So you need to go into your Wi-Fi and you need to have your camera set up. No, it hasn't come up on there. Right, let me just set this camera up quickly. You need to be in the setup mode like you do on the app. And you need to go into the pairing mode through the GoPro app. What that does is it makes the camera discoverable. Just waiting on my phone to find the GoPro. Right, it will come up with GP and whatever your GoPro Wi-Fi address is. You want to select that and it will connect to the GoPro. Right, now it's come up with connected without internet. So we leave it on that setting and we go back into the GoPro app. Click on the GoPro symbol and click on. How's that? Let's move that out of the way. Right. Click on the little camera up in the corner. In the meantime, while that's loading, you want to stop the pairing mode. Select your camera, Hero 4. Right, cycle through all the settings because we've done this. We've switched on the Wi-Fi. Right, you want to get to this page and you want to put it in pairing mode on the GoPro app. Right, now hit continue. And it will search for the camera. Now, that's the issue that comes up. So what you need to do is completely close the whole lot. Hang on. Right, that's it. Now you've got the camera connected. You need to go into the settings and reset, clear the data on the app. Alright, you need to go back into the app. I'm going to cancel the pairing mode on the camera for a minute. Right, so you need to start fresh again. So yes, I have a GoPro. Right, go through the pair the GoPro, connect to camera. This is allow access to the device's location while using the app. I always choose that. So we go back into the searching for the camera. And you select Hero 4, which is the camera I have. So the camera's all switched on. We go through all this settings again. went too quick then, so I won't find it now because I haven't got it in pairing mode. Just double check your Wi-Fi again. Right, let's sort out this because I've got auto reconnect on there. So turn any auto reconnects you've got on, turn them off. Get the camera in pairing mode. Just checking to make sure that's not on auto reconnect. Right, go to your GoPro. Now that is connected with the internet, so we've got auto reconnect on there. Right, now you need to go in your previous apps and go back onto the Quik app. Now, while the camera's still in pairing mode, hit continue. There we go. Now, you want to use it as a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect your device. So press connect. There we go, connection successful. Now the pin displayed on the front of the camera you need to enter, which is 8352. Press done, press pair. Right, now the camera is in GoPro app mode. You need to name the camera. And you need to enter a password. So we'll put Dan's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, this is for example. Press done and hit continue. And the Wi-Fi configuration's updated. Right, now we need to use the temporary device again, so we press connect. And there we go. Now the GoPro is now connected via the Quik app. It's a little bit of a faff doing it. But now you can control the camera via the Quik app. When you exit the app, you can log back into your camera using the password. So make a note of the password, don't forget it, and hopefully this will help you get your GoPro connected to the Gopro Quik app. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I hope it helps. Cheers.